Are you looking for the best two-way radio cases? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best two-way radio cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Getgear two-way radio speaker cases. Protect and organize your walkie-talkie with the Getgear speaker case. This handy fashion case is designed to fit walkie-talkies like Motorola, Socos, Uniden, Florion, Daimi, Galwad, Acme, Bitesh, and others. It features a mesh pocket for cables and accessories, making it easy to keep everything in one place. The semi-hard carrying case provides protection from shock, shake, and scratches, while the paver materials offer water resistance. The compact and lightweight design, along with the detachable wrist strap, allows for easy carrying. Whether you're at home or on the go, the Getgear speaker case is a convenient and stylish solution for storing and transporting your walkie-talkie. Number 2. Caseling hard case. The Caseling GMRS walkie-talkie case is a high-quality hard case made of durable ethylene vinyl acetate material. It offers excellent protection for your GMRS two-way walkie-talkies, with its semi-waterproof, anti-static, dust-proof, and shock-proof features. The case features a two-way zipper design and an internal elastic mesh pocket, allowing you to conveniently store accessories like earphones, SD cards, and USB cords. With its comfortable and strong handle, this case is perfect for easy and convenient portability on the go. Whether you're camping, traveling, or just using it in your everyday life, this waterproof hard case ensures that your walkie-talkies are secure and in good condition. Dimensions: 11.6 by 6.20 by 3.20 inches. Number 3. Walkie-talkie case holder. The walkie-talkie case holder is a tailor-made storage box for Midland GMRS two-way radios, which can hold a variety of accessories. Made of high-quality EVA material, the hard shell provides double protection to avoid damage caused by shocks, bumps, and drops. With 3 partitions and a top zipper mesh pocket, it is easy to organize and find everything you need. The smooth and sturdy double zipper ensures easy opening and closing, and the comfortable carrying handle allows you to take it anywhere. Number 4. Casematix Customizable two-way radio case. The Casematix Customizable two-way radio case is a 17-inch case that can fit up to 16 two-way radios and charging bases, with dual two-tone customizable cubed foam layers with a blue middle divider that allows for 2 separate layers of customizable storage areas. The case's top layer holds up to 8 long-range radios, while the bottom layer can store an additional 8 radios or charging bases. The case's briefcase-style design, built-in carry handle, and customizable foam layers make it easy to store, transport, and organize your radios and accessories safely. Number 5. Tactical radio holder case. This high-quality radio holder is made of durable nylon material 1000D and comes with an adjustable design to fit different radio heights. The elastic cord and detachable patch keep your radio secured inside the pouch. It features a MOL system for easy attachment to your tactical vest, backpack, or belt. The open-top design allows for easy access, and it is perfect for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, and rock climbing. Number 6. Agoz Radio Holster Case. Agoz Holster Case is a heavy-duty radio holster designed to provide excellent protection for your two-way radio or walkie-talkie. It is compatible with popular models such as Arcshell AR5, Baofeng UV5R, Midland GXT 1000 VP4, Unication G4 G5, Retevis RT22, and more. The case features a strong metal duty belt clip and 2 belt loops, allowing you to conveniently carry it vertically or horizontally on your duty belt. The snap closure adds extra security, and there is even an additional credit card ID slot for your convenience. With a Agoz holster case, You can protect your radio from dirt and scratches while ensuring easy access whenever you need it. Its stylish design and rugged construction make it a reliable choice for heavy use. Number 7. VIPERADE Radio Holster. The VIPERADE holster is a high-quality radio holder designed for professionals in various fields. Made from high-density Oxford fabric material, it is wear-resistant and durable. The adjustable storage tools pouch and two-way radio holster make it versatile and convenient to use. With the MOL system, it can be easily attached to MOL web vests, rucksacks, and belts. The drainage hole ensures stability and easy access. The VIPERADE holster also features an adjustable size, allowing it to fit different radio models. Its strong nylon straps provide secure attachment to vests, bags, and rucksacks. Whether you are in law enforcement, security, or any other profession that requires a reliable radio holder, the VIPERADE holster is a great choice.